I just wanted to shoot you a quick video, show you it's Saturday the 5th of December. It's Saturday evening here at 6:15. And let's have a look. I've got another $582, so I'm going to withdraw that right now. So come to the top, down to finances, and then request withdrawal. There's the amount that I want to withdraw. I'm going to pop that in there, click submit. It's going to ask me for my Google Authenticator. Confirm that. Request accepted. On Friday's video that I uploaded this morning, I withdrew that, so that got accepted. I got that, so now I've got another $582. So I started this business off with $300, and I've already made $1,865. So let's get the calculator. So if we put that 1,865 minus the $300 I started with, that's a profit of $1,500. How fantastic is that? If you're interested in a passive income, then I've clicked the link below the video, click a button that may be below the video, or leave me a comment. You have a fantastic rest of the weekend, and I'll see you in the next video where I show you how to make a passive income. You have a great day. Tutty bye.